Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of sweeping, mopping, and constantly cleaning pet hair, today's video is for you. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026. These models offer powerful suction, smart navigation, self-emptying docks, and advanced mopping features to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus is an upgraded model built for deep cleaning and long-term convenience. It features up to 10,000 PA suction, smart LiDAR navigation, and a self-emptying dock that can last up to 7 to 9 weeks without maintenance. This robot vacuum is excellent for homes with pets, carpets, and mixed flooring. The dual anti-tangle system prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, while the PreciSense LiDAR creates accurate maps for efficient cleaning. The mop function handles everyday spills and dust effectively. Pros: extremely powerful 10,000 PA suction, long-lasting self-empty dock, excellent pet hair performance, accurate LiDAR mapping and app control. Cons: mop function is basic, not for deep scrubbing. Slightly premium price. If you want a powerful, reliable, and low-maintenance robot vacuum, the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus is a fantastic all-around choice for 2026. Number 2. DREAME L40 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. The DREAME L40 Ultra is a premium robot vacuum and mop combo with 11,000 PA suction, an advanced auto cleaning dock, and hot water mop washing at up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. This is one of the most advanced robot cleaners available today. It automatically washes, dries, and refills the mop, making it almost completely hands-free. The extendable side brush reaches corners, while voice control adds extra convenience. Pros: massive 11,000 PA suction, hot water mop washing, fully automated cleaning dock, smart edge and corner cleaning. Cons: dock requires more space. If you want the most advanced robot vacuum experience, the DREAME L40 Ultra is perfect for smart homes and busy lifestyles. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 105 Vac. This iRobot Roomba focuses on simplicity and reliability, featuring power-lifting suction, LiDAR navigation, and automatic self-charging. This model is designed for users who want easy setup and dependable cleaning. It cleans in neat rows and performs well on carpets and hard floors. While it doesn't include a mop or self-empty dock, its cleaning performance is consistent. Pros: trusted iRobot quality, easy to use and set up, cleans in organized patterns, great multi-surface performance. Cons: no mopping feature, no self-empty base. The Roomba 105 Vac is ideal if you want simple, no-frills robot vacuuming from a trusted brand. Number 4. Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum with Self-Empty Base. This Shark robot vacuum comes with a bagless self-empty base offering up to 60 days of capacity, plus smart path navigation and strong pet hair pickup. It performs especially well in homes with pets. The anti-hair wrap technology keeps the brush clean, and the vacuum transitions smoothly between carpets and hard floors. Pros: bagless 60-day self-empty base, excellent pet hair pickup, anti-hair wrap system, strong performance on carpets. Cons: navigation not as advanced as LiDAR competitors. A solid choice for pet owners who want powerful vacuuming without recurring bag costs. Number 5. Shark Matrix Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Shark Matrix Plus is a vacuum and mop combo featuring Matrix Clean, sonic mopping, and HEPA bagless self-empty base. This model cleans in a precision matrix pattern for better coverage. The sonic mop scrubs floors more effectively than standard mops, making it great for kitchens and hard floors. Pros: sonic mopping for deeper cleaning, HEPA self-empty base, great edge and corner cleaning,
excellent for pet hair. Cons: mop performance not as advanced as premium models, slightly noisy. The Shark Matrix Plus is a great mid-range option for homes that need both vacuuming and light mopping. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews like this. See you in the next video.